Ever had a vendor's truck damage your community property and then they just vanish? It happens more often than you think. One minute there's a commercial truck hitting a fire hydrant, and the next, that vendor's harder to reach than your neighbor who owes 3 months of dues. When damage happens, grab your phone and start documenting. Those photos you take right after the incident, they're gold. Take clear pictures from several angles. Write down when it happened and what you saw. If there were witnesses, get their contact info while they're still there. Trust me on this one. Without solid documentation, it's just your word against theirs. And then when a vendor says, hey, that wasn't us, you'll need more than just your memory to make your case. Once you have your evidence, reach out to the vendor right away. Be professional, but don't beat around the bush. Let them know exactly what happened and what you expect them to do about it. If you have a contract with them, now is the time to pull it out and reference the sections about liability. And always follow up with them in writing after the phone calls. Those emails create a record that can save you if things get complicated later. Clear communication often prevents escalation. When presented with solid evidence professionally, most vendors will recognize their responsibility rather than risk damage to their reputation or potential legal action. Give vendors a deadline that's reasonable to respond, but don't wait forever. If they start dodging your calls or missing deadlines, it's time to take it up a notch. This might mean filing an insurance claim, talking to your association's attorney, or going ahead with the repairs for safety reasons while you continue pursuing reimbursement. Smart boards don't let these situations drag on indefinitely. When community safety or property values are on the line, you need to be ready to make tough calls while protecting your association's interests. So when vendor damage happens, remember these 3 steps. Document thoroughly, communicate firmly, and know when to escalate. Following this approach can protect your community from bearing costs that should rightfully fall on the responsible party. Your community deserves protection. With the right approach, you can ensure that vendors are held accountable and your property remains beautiful, functional, and safe. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.